Hello everyone, this is Diana and I am finally back on YouTube. I have missed you all so much and I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. This year has been very tough on us. We spent too much time on social media and some of that time has been productive and informative, but a lot of it unfortunately has been filled with negativity. That's why I decided to take a break from it, but now I'm back to making different videos with different subjects. And this brings us to our main subject today, self-love. People always tell you that to be happy you must love yourself and put yourself above all. But how many of us actually do this? When was the last time you spent time actually appreciating your efforts, traits, and beauty? Reality is that your relationship with yourself needs a lot of attention and care. You should consider it as any other relationship you have. It should be healthy. It is a long journey of growth and self-understanding. You should give it time because it does not happen overnight. You need to build the necessary trust which will lead you to being self-satisfied. Appreciate yourself the same way you appreciate someone that means a lot to you, like your best friend or family. You would never tell them mean things that would get them down. You wouldn't judge every mistake they make because we are human. We are spiritual creatures that live in this physical world trying to survive. Just be gentle with yourself. You do deserve this love. Nothing is stopping you from repeating it inside your head. It is not selfish. Self-love is something every person should be practicing on a daily basis. We all have expectations, but the way we judge ourselves makes it impossible for us to meet these expectations. And blaming ourselves for them every day will do nothing but ruin our motivation and lower our self-esteem. You can always keep a list of all the little accomplishments you do every day and keep it in your sight to always remember your strength. Say yes to things that you love. Learn how to say no to anything that bothers you. Notice where you spend most of your time and manage it in a way where there is no space for any negativity. And always remember to keep at least one day a month totally dedicated for self-care. A day from you to you. To encourage those of you who feel like they want to start this journey, I will be creating a challenge called 30 Days of Self-Love. I will create a list that will have a simple activity to do each day. The list will include various activities like meditation, going out on a picnic, journaling, painting, cooking your favorite meal, and watching series maybe, or other things that make you feel good and just have a break. I will be sharing my list on my Instagram for anyone who is interested. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. If you would like me to draw or talk about a specific topic or theme, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my Patreon account. Thanks for watching!